Fire, I got you.
What's up, guys? Your boy Rico. On today's episode, we have this vehicle behind us with 400,000 miles. Drove all the way from Texas to get a detail by the Rico Touch. I hope you guys ready. This was real bad. 400,000 miles and has to be detailed, and I don't know how long. Plus, it's a customer's work truck, so you guys could imagine we're in for a ride. Stay tuned. Let's get it. So for the engine, we're gonna go ahead and use Yellow Thunder. It's a pretty good heavy-duty degreaser. I do it at 101. I know you're supposed to do it less, but this engine is real bad. But let's go ahead and get started, guys. As you guys always want to go ahead and wet the fenders first. You don't want to go ahead and get another degreaser on it and mess anything up. So now I'll be going ahead and using wash and wax. So I'm gonna foam the engine. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the dressing to the engine. I'm gonna go ahead and use some Viper, 101. Shout out to my boy Ali from Ultra Clean. Today's video is actually sponsored by Ultra Clean. Nothing but the best products out there. Man, they don't even be that expensive, but they do have real good results. You guys must check them out. Some of the best tire strength I have used right here is Viper. My favorite wheel cleaner is Mac Wheel. And the rest of the stuff we're about to try out, and we'll go from there. We'll keep you guys posted. So this right here, it is non-acid from Ultra Clean. I'm first gonna go ahead and rinse the rim off. So we just finished up the pre-rinse. Up next, my boy Sal's gonna go ahead and put some iron on it. I'm gonna go ahead and foam it up. And that's what I like to call iron bath. What we're gonna do to this vehicle up next. We just foam it up with this.
All right, so now that we got the truck in the garage, while Bossman gets us our lunch, we're gonna start on the interior. So for this, we're using Clean It. It's an all-purpose vinyl and leather cleaner, and the directions are just to use it ready to use. So let's get started.
We use Carpet Magic, and we put a little bit in our case sprayer, and we put a little bit of water. I also use Extractor HD to put inside of our Mighty. gonna put Protect All on all of our plastics to make it shine up. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I want to give a big shout out to the cameraman. He is the best in the game. Information will be down below. Don't forget, merch dropping soon.